In this second video about using Creative Commons search, we're going to look at how to use the images themselves. When you search for images under Creative Commons, you'll see that the licenses they've been released under are represented by symbols, and you'll get used to these very quickly. We'll quickly go through them on the video now, but if you wish to look at them in more detail, please go to Study Smart. All of these symbols mean you can use the image, but under certain conditions. A line through a C means it's actually under public domain, so there are no conditions. You can use the image and not attribute who made it or where it comes from. If you see a small person, that means you must say who it's by. Who is the owner, author, creator of the work, and where can you find it? A line through a dollar, yen or euro symbol means that you can copy the image, but not for commercial purposes. So you can't resell it, and you can't use it on something that you wish to sell, for example a t-shirt, a booklet or something like that. Our advice is to avoid images with this condition, because Study Group is an educational institution as well as a commercial one. Equals means you can use the image in the same form as you find it, no derivatives, so no remixing on Photoshop, no adding subtitles or anything like that. You have to use it in the same format. And share alike means you're given this image freely by the creator, so please, whatever you create with it, make available to others to use as well, for others to use as well. So if you make a worksheet, make sure your colleagues have access to it and release it to the online community in the same way that the image was shared with you. Most commonly you're asked to attribute the work to the author. Flickr asks you to use the word photo or the name of the photo, the fact that it's released under Creative Commons, and a hyperlink to the owner's photo stream. There are two examples that we've put onto Study Smart. This one complies with those exactly, but you'll notice that it's the type of Creative Commons license that it was released under. So Peter Kaminsky is the author, that hyperlinks to his photo stream, Creative Commons and by. And in this image, the author asked us to put the whole title of his work, and his name is hyperlinked to his photo stream, and he's also asked to share alike. So anything we use this image with we need to make sure is available for other people to use as well. Let's have a look at putting an image into Study Smart. We found this image in the first video and we decided that we could use it. As always, you can right click on the image. This time on Flickr you can choose the size you wish to save it in. You can save the photo onto your computer, then upload it to Study Smart and link to it in a label, in a quiz, whatever. We're not going to cover that in this video because you can do that under Self-Study Study Smart. What I'd like to show you is a really quick way to get the image which gives you all the attribution at the same time. On Flickr, look for this share button and open the menu. The default is the URL link, which you don't need. What you need is the HTML code, so click on that. Make sure you've got HTML. Choose the size here that you want, so I'm going to go for small. Now I'm going to click on this code and copy it, and then go to Study Smart and show you the magic there. I want to add this image to a label, so here's my editor, open. I'm not going to go to the image icon but to the HTML because that's the code that I copied, and when I open that all I need to do is paste it in and update, and you'll see it's appeared in my label. I'm just going to save this now. Here's my label on the front page of my course. The magic is that when you hover over you see the link takes you straight to the site on Flickr, and also usually when you hover over you see the attribution. So it's a really quick way to get these images into your course and to have all the correct attribution. I do hope you find this helpful, and good luck with your image searches on Creative Commons.